Hello, this is Dr. Sridhar Ramo, Faculty of Chemistry and Environmental Science, Vardhaman College of Engineering, Hyderabad. In this video, I explain about graphene and its applications. Graphite consists of layers of hexagonally fused benzene rings. Graphite contains many layers as shown in picture. These layers hold together by weak van der Waals forces. By separating these layers with help of sticky tape, finally single layer of graphite is formed. This single layer of graphite is known as graphene. It means graphene is single layer of graphite. It is crystalline two-dimensional material. In graphene, lot of hexagonal shape carbon rings are arranged systematically like honeycomb as shown in picture. Graphene 1,000,000 times thinner than hair. These two scientists from University of Manchester, UK, succeeded in producing, isolating, identifying and characterizing graphene. These two scientists isolated graphene from graphite by using sticky tape. Nobel Prize in Physics 2010 awarded to these two scientists for discovery of graphene. You can make graphene at home. To make graphene at home, you need a lead pencil and a sticky tape. By using a lead pencil and sticky tape, we can separate graphene from graphite because lead pencil contains graphite. So, as shown in this picture, separate the graphite from lead pencil and powder the graphite as shown in this picture. By using sticky tape, remove first layer of graphite. By using second piece of sticky tape, remove second layer of graphite. Like this, remove layers of graphite by using sticky tape till we get single layer of graphite, which is nothing but graphene. The difficulty was not to fabricate the graphene structures but to isolate sufficiently large individual sheets in order to identify and characterize the graphene and to verify its unique 2D properties. Graphene 40 times stronger than diamond, 100 times stronger and 6 times lighter than steel. Because of its strength and lightweight, graphene can be used in manufacturing of bulletproof jackets and windmill blades. Graphene conducts heat 10 times better than copper. Its electrical conductivity higher than copper since it can be used in electric works. 97% of light is transparent through graphene. It absorbs 2.3% of light intensity. Because of this property of graphene, it can be used in manufacturing of touch screens, light panels, gas sensors, etc. It is highly flexible, bendable, and it can be stretched 25% of its length. Because of this property, graphene can be used in manufacturing flexible electronic devices and electric devices which can be folded easily. Graphene is a lightweight material. Its melting point is 5703 degree centigrade. Since it can be used in manufacturing of refractory materials. Refractory materials are inorganic materials which can withstand high temperatures without softening. Refractory materials are generally used in construction of furnaces, ovens, and manufacturing of crucibles. Graphene is a non-corrosive material. Graphene carries electrons 140 times faster than silicon. Since graphene can be used for the designing of small size, low energy and high speed nano processors. Graphene conductivity can be modified largely by chemical doping or by an electric field. Chemical doping means inserting other element into graphene. Because of its lightweight and high strength, it can be used in satellites and aircrafts. Carbon nanotubes are formed by rolling single layer of graphene. Carbon nanotubes have lot of applications. One of important application is manufacturing solar cells. Oxidized graphene sheets forms discs as shown in figure. Few molecules acts as pillars to arrange oxidized graphene sheets one on another, which creates space between oxidized graphene sheets. In these spaces, as shown in picture, in these spaces, hydrogen gas can be stored. Graphene can be used for the purification of water, including ocean water, which is saline, which is salt. in nature. It gives 99% pure water. Dissolved ions present in water cannot pass through graphene layer as shown in picture. Na plus and Cl minus ions, sodium cation and chloride anions cannot pass through graphene layers. Only water molecules can pass through graphene layer. Like that, we can purify the ocean water and we get a pure drinking water with help of this graphene. According to Samsung Institute of Technology, graphene batteries increase battery capacity 45% and increase battery charging speed 5 times. Current lithium ion battery, the lithium ion batteries which are using now the cell phones batteries are lithium ion batteries. This lithium ion batteries takes 1 hour time to complete full charge. It takes 1 hour to complete full charge, but graphene batteries can be charged just in 12 minutes. Graphene batteries can be used for electric vehicles. These batteries can recharge a car in 1 hour. Next, the isolation of graphene is expensive. Because of this reason, graphene is unable to manufacture in industrial scale. Research is keep going on to manufacture graphene in a huge amount in cheaper cost. Because of wide range of applications, graphene will bring revolutionary changes in the field of technology. Thank you.